Hey guys, welcome back to another Android apps video. In this video, we're going to look at the best Android apps for this month. So without any further ado, let's get started. First app on the list is Warp. The 111 app by Cloudflare that made your internet faster now comes with a VPN named Warp. Warp is built on the same network that has made 111 the fastest DNS resolver. It's fast, it's free, and it's private. The next app on the list is Vivaldi Browser. Vivaldi Browser is a Chromium-based desktop browser which is now available for Android as well. Being a Chromium-based browser means it carries the same features from Google Chrome, and in fact it's much better in many areas. Vivaldi doesn't track your information like Google Chrome does. It also offers do not track functionality. It will block pop-ups, and it allows users to block JavaScript on the website for added security. Vivaldi even has a simple ad blocker enabled by default. There are tons more features to mention, so you should check it out in the App Store to know more. Next app is Frise. Frise is a smart recipe app that suggests recipe by your ingredients which are added to your stocks by unit and amount. You can upload your home inventory to the app and review which recipe you can prepare with the ingredients that you have. After completing the recipe, you can select reduce the stock by recipe ingredient amount, and then you can prepare the dishes with renewed recipe suggestions. How cool is that? Next app is Fika. Fika is a new app for students to help you get emotionally fit. Fika is designed to help you overcome nervousness, manage anxiety, and beat stress by boosting your confidence and getting you better prepared to face whatever life throws at you. You can exercise your emotion with daily 5-minute emotional workouts that promote self-reflection and positive action. You can choose additional workouts that you can do alone or with others and record your thoughts, feelings, and discoveries in your private Fika journal. Next app is Walnut. Walnut allows you to learn interactively and distraction-free with hundreds of curated educational videos and thousands of quizzes based on those videos. Every video is followed by a set of quiz questions that feels like a game. Every challenge allows you to gauge your knowledge level and create adaptive paths for you. Next app is 80Days. 80Days is an intelligent trip planner app. It lets you discover in few seconds and book unique multiple trips around Europe by flights, trains, and ferries in one trip. You can combine flights, trains, ferries in one trip. You can change cities with one touch, you can choose your schedule, and more. Next app is Bookself. Bookself is a social network where readers can share their readings, send book recommendation, and discover what to read. You can follow friends, like-minded people, experts, and authors. You can share your thoughts by commenting or joining live chat channels to discuss with other readers. You can read and listen to free audiobooks and ebooks and more. Next app is Mind Mapping 3D. Mind Mapping 3D helps you to build and visualize your thoughts, ideas, and notes in a fun and engaging way. It makes incredible 3D mind maps with links to any reference and resources you need online, like websites, social profiles, videos, and file attachments. You can use it to build a great foundation of information for your work, study, or hobbies. Next app is Learnember. It's a really simple and useful app that will help you to remember and organize whatever you have learned. You can add notes, set up hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly reminders, and get notifications for learning better. You can also organize and identify topics using tags. The next app is Coded Replies. Have you ever seen a tweet and wanted to see all the coded tweets of that tweet? Well, Coded Replies allows you to do that by giving you a full picture of any conversation on Twitter without any stress. Next app is Earlynote. Earlynote is a time-traveling messaging app. It allows you to send messages and notes that will be unlocked when the sender decides it's ready. You can create a message, set a date or time, and then you can send the note to your contacts or to yourself. So that's it guys, those were all the best Android apps for this month, and let me know which app you like the most. And if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.